Hello, I'm Mason Warner. This is my PIN number generator for Digital Electronics. The way this works is, okay, this already has a preset thing, so let me fix that. Yeah, I chose 8 for that one for some reason. Anyway, the way this works is it sets up a PIN number. First, I set in an input by clicking 1, 2, 4, and 8 because I'm dumb. And the space resets it. So first, I put in E, and then I put in 1. If that's the number I want, I click spacebar, and then it goes on there for the other pin. To fill this out, I do a bit, like just put in some numbers, 6, that'll work, and then I put that in, and then next, or do it again, reset, there. My pin number is E167. And E, in this case, is actually A is 10, B is 11, C is 12, 13 is D, this is 14. So it's 14, 1, 6, and 7.